Hey guys. Okay, so we've had a really big run of inquiries recently from people who are looking to add a veranda to the front of their house. Now, it's normally one of two different scenarios. It's either what used to be a really cutesy stereotypical Queenslander, which has been butchered over time, so the front veranda has been enclosed, windows and doors have been modified, it's been enclosed underneath with some block work, you get the idea, and it no longer presents as a traditional house to the streetscape. Or it's one of those transitionary type houses. So those houses that were in effect or being developed in the early 1940s that didn't have the stereotypical cutesy character. Now, in both of those situations, the clients are sitting there going, we want to add some streetscape appeal. We want to add some character back to this house. We want to add a veranda to achieve that. Totally get it. Problem is, things have kind of changed in this space in more recent years. So back in the day, it was so easy. And when I say back in the day, I'm talking maybe 5 years ago. It was so easy to get these applications through because council's perception or view of what was traditional character was verandas, cutesy tin and timber type stuff. So, okay, you don't have a veranda now. We're adding a veranda. Tick, we like that. So yeah, it was really easy to get those applications through. Then it kind of evolved and it kind of got to the point of going, oh, hold on a sec, but what if someone wants to restore that veranda in the future or restore the character back in the example, the first example I gave you? What if they want to restore that character back? Yeah, okay, we probably shouldn't do major works to the front of these houses. So if you make it reversible, so if you lightly touch that veranda onto the house and make sure that it can be removed down the track when someone wants to restore the character, yeah, okay, we're still cool with it. Now, in the last year or so, we've seen another evolution in this phase, or this area, I guess I'd say. Council's position now is, okay, well, hold on a sec. If we put these verandas on the front of these houses, you're obscuring the view of that house from the street. You now can no longer see through to the original structure behind. And you're kind of extending the life of the modifications behind. So whilst there's a veranda on the front, people aren't going to have the incentive or need to restore the original veranda behind, which, hold on a sec, we're kind of shooting ourselves in the foot there. And then the final thing is, if you guys recall that pink wig video I did a few years ago when I talked about garages forward of houses, same theory here. If you go and extend that house forward by adding a veranda to the front, you're bringing it further forward in the streetscape. So as you're driving down the street, like my little imaginary car, oh, it's been a big morning. Anyway, work with me here. You're driving down the street. If you've got something that's sitting forward of all the other character houses, you're going to be like, whoa, what the heck is that? And it's going to grab your attention and draw you in, and it's going to compete for attention with all the other character houses in the street, which obviously goes against the idea or the intention of preserving these character streetscapes. So yeah, moral of the story, point I want to get across today is, I'm still imagining myself driving that car. Okay, focus Peter. The moral of the story is that in the past it was super duper easy to get these applications through council. In more recent years, we were saying, yep, you can do it, just minimize the extent of demolition and make it reversible. Now my position has changed on these. Now I'm saying, hey, unless you can demonstrate that it's not a character house, so not a pre-47 house, or it's been irreversibly damaged and there is no hope of restoring that character, etc., etc., and as long as you can demonstrate you're not coming forward in the streetscape and going to dominate, don't even bother. Don't even go there. Okay, I think that covers off everything I want to talk about today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site-specific. You would be a silly Billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly Billy. Number two, Brisbane Town Planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all.